About working with Angel na lang, how is she? How would you describe her?
Alam mo yung sinabi ni JL na maalaga si Angel.
Yes.
Totoo po yun. Totoo talaga.
Paano ways?
Parang lahat kami sa set, inaalagaan niya eh. Alam mo yun, kumain ka na ba? Lalo ako baguhan eh. So, hindi ko alam anong ginagawa pagka in between yung scenes ko. Sabi niya, "Hoy, matulog ka muna." Kasi syempre medyo excited, gising na gising ako kahit na anong oras na. Oo, dahil di ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Paano to? Tatawagin naman siya, "Matulog ka muna. Kumain ka na ba? Kanina ka pa dyan, di ka pa natutulog." Mga ganun, maalaga po talaga siya.
Ano mga common interest niyo, mga pagkukwentuhan niyo? Parehong hilig niyo? Si Angel daw kasi may pagkalalaki.
Si Angel kasi parang barkada eh. Parang ganun lang pagkwentuhan eh. Parang barkada agad ang ano. Although, we just met recently.
Ito lang din sa show.
Just shortly before this, sa Common Friends. Pero hindi naman kami masyadong nag-interact. Pero may picture. Pero yun, dito sa ano, very ano eh. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Totoo siya. So, it's very easy to get along with people na totoo. Yung walang...
Ang question ko na lang sa show, how prepared are you dito sa important? Kasi sabi mo nga nabaguhan ka. Paano mo prepare?
Yeah, I mean, in terms of preparedness, I think naman, this is as prepared as one can get, diba? Like na-mention ko doon sa loob, projects, I've been honored na naalok ng projects in the past, pero we felt it wasn't the right time. Ngayon, feeling ko tama yung panahon in terms of where I am in my career. Medyo nagawa ko na yung gusto ko magawa sa music, di ba? So, may flexibility ako ngayon na magawa to. Prepared ako doon. So, I can be, no one can be as more prepared pa than that in that sense. Although, at the same time, nothing can prepare you for the actual, di ba, the actual thing, di ba, whatever it is. So, pagtap ako, I'm still learning. Madami ako talagang natututunan. Pero, this is the most preparation na siguro one can have eh.
Maraming nagsasabi ng artista na nakaka-intimidate daw kay eksena si John Lloyd because ang galing-galing niya. Ikaw ba sa mga eksena niyo naramdaman mo yun?
Actually, hindi ako nag-enjoy ako pag si John Lloyd. Kasi parang mas madali. And naman kung magaling yung artistang katrabaho mo. Like sa music, kung magaling yung ka-jamming mo, mas maganda yung tugtugan, mas masarap yung tugtugan, pati ikaw gaganahan ka. Same effect with John Lloyd and Angel and my co-actors.
Hindi ko ba napapanga ngayon?
Prior to this, all of us nag-workshop kami lahat together with the other members of the cast. So, yun, if ever po yung kinakapa ko po yung process, yung ano ba nangyayari? Kano katagal ba tong hintay?
Ay, yung mismo.
Yung process, hindi yung acting part, but yung process po. Kano katagal ba maghintay? Kailan ba kakain? Paano ba to? Kailan ba ako magbibihis? Ano ba ibig sabihin pagka sinabi ng gano'n? Yung gano'n lang po.
Pero di ba kasi iba ang tao, iba yung mga tao sa musika, sa music, sa showbiz.
Yeah, but I guess it's not so different. Mas marami siyang similarity sa field namin and sa acting, music and acting, as opposed to maybe someone who's nasa sports or abogado tapos mag-acting. Malapit lang po eh. Ang pinagkaiba yung process lang. Yung process. Pero yung paghuhugutan, parang parehas lang naman po eh.
How's your working relationship with your cast?
Everyone's so helpful and welcoming. They all give me tips. Big tips, small tips. Mostly yung mga small tips na very helpful sa akin eh. Get a nice chair. Get a comfortable chair. Bring your own tumbler. Yung mga little things.
Ano yung pagkakapareho mo dun sa character mong ginagawa?
In real life? I guess with everyone, meron with everyone may ano dun sa character ko na you're trying to prove yourself dito to my dad, but in real life sometimes you prove yourself to yourself so yun ang nare-relate ko kung ano yung character ko dito, always wanting to prove himself sa dad niya. Ito yung similarity sa akin. I always want to prove something to myself so yun, very similar kami.
Nakaya ka naman maluwag kasi mata-ratings na siya.
To be honest po, to be honest, I was telling my coworkers, wala po akong consciousness tungkol sa mga ratings and yung pressure kasi first ko po, so I don't know what it means so I'm just enjoying this. I'm enjoying learning.
Being part of acting na pag-acting naman baka mapabayaan mo kasi di ba yung composer?
Yes. I assured everyone na music will always be there. In fact, doing other things in life. Acting isn't only the other thing I'm doing aside from music. Marami akong ibang ginagawa. Doing other things in life makes your music richer. Mas marami kang masusulat. Mas marami kang... There will be more things for you to sing about. If all you do is music, it becomes parang empty.
I know you're very professional as a
Yes, ma'am.
singer, as an
Thank you.
actor.
I try.
Pero, are you open working with Casey in the future na sa isang proyekto?
Actually, I'm not interested po. I'm not interested.
Ay talaga,
I'm not
bakit?
interested. I'm not interested po. Yeah.
Because speaking of differences, kasi being a celebrity now opens you to more intrigas. Being a private person, are you ready for
Sanay ka na ba sa
I believe, contrary to general perception that that's the only way to do things, I believe na one can have a good relationship with the media that will give artists yung options how they want to market themselves, no? And I don't want to offend yung artists who enjoy talking about their personal lives, etc. Because that's their thing, to each his own. I fully respect that. But I believe na it's possible to have a working relationship with journalists like yourselves na mag-offer ng ibang way of doing, and all throughout my career, na medyo mahaba-haba na rin, I've always let my work speak on my behalf. The music, so hopefully now the acting.
Alright.
With your help. Yes,
What
ma'am.
if sa Immortal, kailangan nyo ng promotion for a safety case? Kailangan nyo ng Immortal?
Yeah, like I'm saying, there are many avenues naman na how you want to market something. I believe we have more than enough channels. So I don't think naman that's needed. And if it's up to me lang naman, I'd rather not. As a personal preference lang.
Right.
Kahit i-require ng management.
I don't think they can require that from me.
Okay na po,
Because we have a good
aalis na po, may taping pa po. Sorry po.
Okay lang po.
Okay na po.
Okay. Thank you for your